How's it going, everybody? Just wanted to show you a quick demonstration of the base features of driver vision and track vision. We're going to put the device into auto mode and we're going to start our trip at about 15 kilometers an hour, 18 kilometers an hour. Recording should start. There you see it starting. And now we're going to continue with our trip. And I will show you what happens when we stop our trip. And I'll very quickly do a speed ramp of the journey so you don't have to sit through it with me. Thank you for joining me on it, though. Okay, so now that we're at the end of our trip, you'll see that the auto feature stopped the trip, stopped recording. So let's take the phone out of the bracket and let's go inside and have a coffee with our friend and review our trip. All right, so now that we're back from our trip, we can go to our trip list and we can see our latest trip here. Click on that and you'll see the tracks for the trip load and you'll see our video. So what you'll see here is that we can click anywhere on the map and the video will go to that spot. So let's go to the entrance to this on-ramp. And here we are. And you'll see that it's following the marker. Now, if I pinch or zoom, it'll actually stop following the marker. So you'll see it actually go almost off the map. But what I can do is I can just tap the marker and it'll always keep following the marker. So you can actually see it go under the bridge there. Let's go back and do that again. Here we are under the bridge. Let's do that one more time. And here we are under the bridge. What's also cool though is if we zoom out back to the entire trip, we can actually use the timeline. So let's go back to close to the beginning of the trip using the timeline. You'll see that the marker moves to the beginning of the trip. Let's move it near the end of the trip. You'll see that it moves near the end of the trip. And we can even zoom in and see all those places again. We can follow our marker and watch it go to where I'm having lunch. Or sorry, coffee with Greg. Back to that spot. Let's go back to the bridge. And let's move the marker around using the video control.